Welcome to Emerge Tech 2024, hosted by CIO News. I am Simran Shivalkar, a journalist at CIO News and your host for today. Today we have with us Dr. Puneet Kohli. She is the President of IT and Data at Liberty General Insurance. Ma'am, thank you so much for joining us today. How has your experience been?
Thank you for giving me an opportunity to share our insights on the CIO News platform. The experience and response was very overwhelming, and especially with regard to questions that were being put while I was sharing my insights, especially with regard to various domains. Meeting up, from cross-functional peers from the industry was always very exciting.
Thank you so much for answering that. And my question to you today would be, because you're from the insurance industry, are there any common challenges that you have observed, especially when you think about the digital approach?
Yes, so when it talks about insurance, we work with both offline and online mode, especially with regard to the sea change difference we have seen post-COVID 2020. Insurance industry has also got major transformation, and it's not only about meeting the expertise on the digital side for a customer, but also claim plays a very big role for us. So basically customer engagement, your basically your interactions, your engagement with your customer, understanding what is the customization products or the flagship products that they look forward to any insurance industry. And then with so much of cutting edge technologies, if we are not there, then we basically are not into the business. So for our existence, digital plays a very big role today.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your insights. And lastly, I would like to understand from you, being a woman in this tech space and in the industry for so long, any advice or any message you would like to give?
Yes, thank you for that question. So I'm a great supporter for women empowerment, and I completed fortunately my 30 years of my corporate existence in technology and innovation space. So when we talk about technology, I have a special message to the second generation of women in IT. This, basically, if you have the courage and the strength to do, then sky is only the limit for you. I think so. We were really facing challenges when we were consistent at the top. But for the young generations, I think so, when we say that I want to see and encourage the second layer of women, I think we have a huge penetration. And I really welcome those thoughts when people of the new women leaders or the emerging women leaders, I'll be the one who will stand and give them that kind of encouragement. So really look forward to have that kind of a response.
Very well. I think we all can take a lot of inspiration from this. I look forward to having more such conversations with you, and thank you once again for joining us.
Thank you, Simran. Thank you for that beautiful encouragement to the women leaders when they watch this video. And I would like to say that CIO News is a promoter for women encouragement as well. So thank you so much for having me on your platform.
The pleasure has truly been ours. Thank you.
Thank you.